Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to check eBay item reviews. Firstly, open eBay application on your device, and then on the home page in the searching field, search for the item you're interested in. So for example, let it be AirPods Pro, and tap on one of the listings to open the product page. For example, this one. And here you need to scroll down until you see the section seller feedback. And here you will see the average star rating and how many people have left the reviews. So tap on the button See All Feedback to open the full list of reviews, and now you can scroll through and read what buyers have said about products that this seller have sold. Look for comments about quality, delivery time, and whether the item matches the description. So this is a little bit not convenient because, as you can see, I cannot see the reviews only for this specific item that I was looking for. So I was looking for AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and here you see that I have also some reviews for Samsung Pro Plus, some other items. So they are here are all reviews for all the products that the seller is selling. And if there are photos included in the reviews, you will see them right under the user's comment. So this is helpful for seeing what the product looks like in the real life. So you can tap on the filter icon, and here you see the option with photos only, and here you see you can review some photos that other buyers have left. And if you want to check reviews for similar items, just go back to the search result and repeat the process on another listing. So that's basically how you can check eBay item reviews. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.